Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Monica.
of the Mike and Monica Nelson team of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Home Sale Realty.
Let's take a look at our featured listing.
Welcome to 616 East MacPhail Road in Bel Air, Maryland. This beautiful 1,900 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial is completely turnkey for you. There are so many updates in this home, including the light fixtures, double hung replacement windows, and hardwood floors throughout. The totally updated Gourmet Kitchen has granite counters, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and soft close 42-inch cabinets and drawers. The dining room is right off of the kitchen, and the large living room has tons of natural light. The main level has a spacious family room with sliders to the stone patio and an upgraded half bath. Upstairs there's a primary bedroom and newer primary bathroom with dual vanity and tile surround shower and tub. 2 more bedrooms are on this level, and more upgrades are found in the full bathroom. The basement is ready for your finishing touches, as it includes a newer Samsung washer and dryer, sanitary tub, French drain with battery backup sump pump, and back door with a walk up to the backyard. The backyard has a shed and a new vinyl privacy fence. Make your appointment today.
Thanks for watching.
Please go to MikeNelsonRealtor.com for more information.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.